Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom route in Apple Maps. First, open Apple Maps, tap your profile icon, and select Library. In the library, tap Routes. You'll also see Places, Guides, and Pin. Tap Create. Then, tap the map to set your starting point. Add more steps by tapping each location. Use options like reverse to flip the route, out and back for round trips, or close loop to connect the start and end. Done, tap save to keep it, or go to start navigating. And that's it. That's how to create a custom route in Apple Maps. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.